Welcome to my channel. Today let's discuss the metabolic fate of pyruvate or pyruvate as a junction point. So pyruvate is obtained from glucose by glycolysis. So this pyruvate can be converted to acetyl-CoA and it can enter your TCA cycle or it can enter your fatty acid synthesis. Next, it can be converted to oxaloacetate by the enzyme pyruvate carboxylase, or it can be converted to alanine by alanine transamylase, or it can be converted to lactate under anaerobic conditions by lactate dehydrogenase. So this is the overview of fate of pyruvate. Okay, so now let's discuss how pyruvate is getting converted to acetyl-CoA. Now, pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, or commonly known as PDH. Okay. So this PDH is a multi-enzyme complex. Now where is pyruvate produced? Pyruvate is produced in cytoplasm. Where is your TCA cycle going to take place? It is going to take place in your mitochondria. So this pyruvate is generated and is transported to mitochondria by a pyruvate transporter. Okay. So this PDH enzyme has 5 coenzyme, 3 apoenzyme, 5C3A. Okay. Now let's discuss the coenzymes and apoenzymes. The coenzymes are TPP. TPP is thiamine pyrophosphate obtained from vitamin B1. Next is coenzyme A, next is FAD, next NAD, and then lipomide. So these are the 5 C's. Next, what are the enzyme components? 3 enzyme components are present. So what are they? The enzyme components are P, D, D. How to remember this? President dies in Delhi. So PDD. P for pyruvate dehydrogenase. Next D for dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase. So these are the 3 enzymes. Okay. Now what is the importance of this PDH complex? Is it reversible or irreversible? It is irreversible. Okay, it cannot be, acetyl-CoA cannot be converted back to pyruvate through this step. So that is why we say there is no net synthesis of glucose from fat. So fat cannot be converted to glucose. This is a commonly asked question in your Viva, whether glucose can be converted to fat. Yes, by PDH complex. Whether the reverse is possible? No, because this is an irreversible step. Okay.